Instructions to install plexiglass panels. Model number NP02. Place the NP02 desk clamp on the edge of the desk. Twist the knob located at the bottom of the clamp to adjust and tighten to the thickness of the table. Remove plastic covering from plexiglass. Insert the plexiglass onto the clamp and tighten the screws using the Allen key to secure the glass. To adjust the swivel feature, use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screw that is located in between the desk clamps. Adjust the swivel feature to the desired direction and tighten it again to secure it.